Why my Premiere Pro won't open? Now there's two ways your Premiere Pro might not open. The first is if your PC is lagging or it's slow, then it's not going to open. In that case, just like, restart your PC, sometimes simply restarting fixes it. The next thing is there might be a bug that's causing the issue, so update your Premiere Pro to the latest version. If you're using Premiere Pro on desktop or on PC or on Mac, you have Creative Cloud, because without Creative Cloud, you cannot use Premiere Pro. So on your Mac, just search for Creative Cloud, or on your desktop, just search for Creative Cloud and open it. Once it opens up, go to the updates section. Inside update, just right beside Premiere, if it shows update, that means update is available. Click on it and your update will start. After the update is done and it's installed, you can open Premiere Pro, it should work. And basically after doing that, it should work. And if it's still not working, then the next thing you can do is just delete your Premiere Pro, reinstall it again, and it should start to work. That's basically how you guys can fix the issue if your Premiere Pro is not opening. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.